Hi, this is Ryan from Stahls, and I'm going to talk to you today about what to do in the event that you accidentally get plastisol ink stuck to your top platen of your heat press. So some of the things that you're going to need are real simple. A blank t-shirt, a spatula, of course safety first with our oven mitt, a couple of clean washcloths, sponges with the soft side. You can go ahead and get some soft scrub white gel. Gojo works as well, and Goo Gone. We'll talk about this and more. Come and join me at the heat press. Okay, so this happens quite a bit actually, believe it or not. You're going to go ahead and thread your shirt on, and specifically when you're doing a large production, sometimes you just might not be paying all that much attention, or this happens at trade shows sometimes. So I got my shirt threaded, and instead of putting my plastisol screen printed transfer face down, or down like this with a mirror image with the grid line showing, I might accidentally put it this way. And what happens is when you clamp down your press, I'm not going to do it, but if you do, it will stick to this platen. So don't panic. There's really easy ways to take care of this. So first and foremost, you're going to immediately take the paper off and try to, get it off as quickly as possible. Of course, what you can do is get yourself your oven mitt, safety first if it's still hot to the touch. And you can actually take a spatula, believe it or not, and you can scrape the ink, get it off as much as possible. Or you can just take just a regular blank t-shirt that you have on hand, and you can just start wiping it up, and it will actually just start soaking up that ink. If it sits for a long time, you want to go in circular motions too. And if it happens to sit for a long time, that's when you can actually start using your household products like your soft scrub, or you can use Goo Gone, or you can use the hand cleaner Gojo. But this does have a little bit of abrasiveness to it, so you got to be careful with the Gojo. Bottom line is, this is a very, very, very smooth surface. It's coated with a special protectant coating on it, similar to high-end cookware. So you want to do your best to not scratch this. You do not want to use a sponge with the abrasive side here, okay? So you do want to use it this way as you're scrubbing. You do not want to use the abrasive side. You can just go ahead and dip your washcloth once you're done and getting as much possible. Put this in some water, some warm water. And again, circular motion. Do your best to get as much ink off as possible. After you've done this a few times, and you can rinse and repeat, do it a couple times, then at the very end you can just, after your heat press is turned off, you can still clamp down with blank t-shirts underneath to try to absorb as much ink as possible. So in the event that you accidentally stick your transfer on the wrong side up and you get the plastisol ink on your top platen, do not panic. Remember, rely on your t-shirts that you have lying around. It could be a brand new one, or it could be some scrap ones you have. Good old spatula can do wonders. Of course, safety first with your oven mitt. Make sure you have some washcloths, maybe even a bucket of water. And soft side, not the abrasive side. That's the most important part about this, is do not use something abrasive. And simple household products like soft scrub white gel, Gojo hand cleaner, and Goo Gone. All these can be found at your local hardware store or retail store. And in the event that this happens and you're still not sure what to do, just pick up the phone and call Hottronics. We're here Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. until 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to help you out. Tech support is great. So we appreciate you watching, and thank you so much for choosing Stahls.